A lot of people ask me, Suzelle, your videos always look so stunning, so professional. How do you get such a nice effect when you're shooting top down? Here are some examples of a top down shot. Look how nice that looks. That's stunning. That is why today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY phone stand using PVC piping. You will need some PVC piping, some little connector pieces, a pipe cutter, an old selfie stick. Now this was a real fad, wasn't it? And finally, your phone. So I've been using this LG G8X. This phone is great for multitasking, guys. Dual screen. Oh, I'm watching a YouTube video how to make a bra pie. Also, texting Marianne at the same time. Hi Marianne, what you up to? Want to hang out later? It's Bolognese night. Detachable, anytime. You know what else? It's even got a Snapdragon 855. Snap chip chap, strap jabbing. And that's important for gamers. Now, I'm not a gamer, but Marianne, she will slay you in any game. Hashtag ad. Just for complete clarity and transparency. Let's measure up our piping. I need 2 pieces of 45 centimeters. Cut it, go in, and you rotate it. Just like that. So these little guys are going to be our side arms. Now we need to measure 2 pieces to make our back panel. 30 centimeters, another 30 centimeters. This upright's also 45 centimeters. Finally a 10 centimeter guy. Just this last little lippy. Now that we've got our pieces, let's connect them. We're going to start with these guys. Put the longie in with a shorty. Right angle. This is our DIY Lego. The things you can build. And then last the key for the base. Just make sure it's quite nice and flat. Okay, then we go with our upright. This little guy, 10 centimeter guy. I'm drilling a hole in this little T-connector. We unscrew the selfie stick. I need to find a little belt that's exactly the right size to screw into my holder part. I've got a real eye for screws, eh? We'll pop this in, push it out. There's it. Then we're going to pop on our belt. Make it nice and tight. Just going to open this up, detach it. There's it. Look at that. What a cool top-down rig. Let's try do something here. Photo, video. But what I really want to do is a time-lapse. Action. Self-portrait. Hoop earrings, a flower, a hair bun, obviously. What am I holding? A drill. Stunning, Suzelle. Let's take some gorgeous, professional-looking top-down product shots. This one's for Pinterest. Let's pop my book into the frame. Look at the quality. Shoots in 4K. Look at this. And there you have it, a easy-peasy DIY phone stand made out of PVC piping. DIY because anybody can. Tripod. Bye everybody! Oh, Suzelle, what's happening here? Special thanks to LG for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out this cool nifty dual screen phone, just click on the link below. Bye!